Hi, hello, good morning, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal. You are watching PPT channel and I am with you, Sanjay Rampal. Let us start today session. Stay tuned for more solid news. Keep watching your own channel, PPT News. If you have not subscribed to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe. District and Sessions Judge Naresh Kumar said that with the cooperation of the court and the government, free legal aid is being provided to the needy people through legal aid clinics. In this episode, 4 clinics have been opened in all the 4 blocks of the district today by the District Legal Services Authority. Legal aid will be available in all the clinics 1 day a week. The district and sessions judge was addressing the people present there after inaugurating the legal and clinic of Dadri block in Lahorwada village. He said that the story of legal aid and help is old. It came to the courts around the year 1987. The benefits of government and court schemes are delivered through the Supreme Court and High Courts and District Courts. People are made aware of their rights and legal aid is provided to the needy. He said that many times a person is not in a position to hire a lawyer in a case or is not getting the claim. There is a provision for the solution of all such cases in legal aid on this occasion. He said that tagline of the District Legal Services Authority is justice for all. It is not matter what your age, status, condition is. If you cannot go to court, then people related to the court proceedings come to you through the authority. The solution to every legal problem comes to your home. He said that people of under villages should also be informed so that they can also get legal help. Along with being educated, one should also know about the legal officer on this occasion. Advocates Divyata Goyal, Mandeep Fogart, Sombir Singh, Indu Jasuja, Pooja and PLV Rohtas Sharma and the village Sarpanch along with under dignitaries were present. Advisory issued if a view of called. Deputy Commissioner gave instructions to keep night shelters in good condition, Charkhi Dadri. In view of the cold weather, a pre-advisory has been issued by the Revenue and Disaster Management Department, regarding which Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma have given guidelines and asked to keep the night shelters in good condition. Along with this, competent officers have also been instructed to visit from time to time regarding the advisory issued by the government. The Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma has instructed the Civil Surgeon, Deputy Director of Animal Husbandry and Agriculture Department, DDPO and EO of Municipal Council that all the officers should get the night shelters repaired immediately in their respective areas and ensure that all kinds of needed Facilities are available in all the night shelters. The Deputy Commissioner had said that no person should stay in the open during the winter season. All the officers should keep visiting the area on times regarding this, and also keep sufficient number of blankets with them so that they can be given to anyone if needed. Applications can be made for Sushma Swaraj Award till 20 December. The applicant should be born the state of Haryana, should be working in the interest of women. The Department of Women and Child Development has invited online applications for the Sushma Swaraj Award till 20 December. Women to have made significant contributions in various fields or have achieved outstanding achievements at the national and international level. These awards will be given on Women's Day, 8 March. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that women who have made significant contributions in various fields or have achieved notable achievements at the national and international level can apply online for the Sushma Swaraj Award. 5 lakhs rupees in cash, shawl and station will be given as a prize. In the eligibility conditions, the applicant should be born in the state of Haryana and should be working for the welfare of women. Social and religious organizations should cooperate in the Gita Mahotsav. The event will be organized from 9 to 11 December in Model School, Jhadu Singh Chowk. Maximum number of religious and social organizations of the district should participate in the Gita Mahotsav. This program is a collective program of all, and maximum number of people should participate in it. Entry for the program is completely free. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma has requested all the religious and social organizations of the district as well as the citizens to cooperate in the Gita Mahotsav and participate as much as possible. The Deputy Commissioner has said that it is necessary for the followers of all classes and religions to participate in the Gita Mahotsav with pomp and show. The message of the Gita is for all living beings. He said that the district level Gita Mahotsav will be celebrated from 9 to 11 December in the premises of Shahid Dalbir Singh Model Sanskrit Government Senior Secondary School, Jhadu Singh Chowk, Charkhi Dadri. The festival will begin with a Havan Yaga in which the Acharyas of the Gurukul will chant mantras. He said that there will be culture programs on all 3 days of the Gita Mahotsav. He said that apart from other programs, Deepotsav will be organized at 5 p.m. on December 11. He appealed to the representatives of religious places to organize Deepotsav in their respective religious places and temples. Celebrity Deepotsav in temples all around the city so that a very good message goes out from Dadri. He asked the representatives of religious and social organizations to also participate in the Nagar Sobha Yatra on December 11 so that the Sobha Yatra becomes more great. So friend, this was our important and special news for today. We will meet again tomorrow with new news. Till then, take care of yourself. You will be safe. Now allow me, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Namaskar. Take care.